An important subject in the Bloomberg agenda is recyclability and the ecology of the world in which we live, and here's a song about that.
There is a law of nature that says that you can neither create nor destroy matter. Back when it was sensible to make things reliable, it was unthinkable to make things disposable. If things were breakable, we knew they were fixable. We'd never just throw it away. Oh, we'd never just throw it away. But once it was knowable that it was possible to make things affordable. If they were tossable, it wasn't sustainable, but seemed much more profitable. We would just throw it away. Oh, it was easier to throw it away. But now it seems incredible, but it's undeniable. More food's inedible, more water unpotable, but we're not expendable, and Earth can't be livable if we just throw it away. Now it might not be fashionable, but we can be flexible. Things are recyclable, things are reusable. We are forgivable, and nothing's impossible. We don't have to throw it away. Oh, we don't have to throw it away. Oh, besides, there's no such thing as a way.